Okay guys, so a little different video today. I'm not a vlogger, so go easy on me. This is a follow-up video to the unboxing video I did on the Meshforce M3 whole house Wi-Fi system. I'm going to head over to my daughter's house like I mentioned in that video and get the system set up in her house and see if we can improve her current Wi-Fi situation, which is pretty sketchy as I had mentioned previously. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car, and if I seem a little frustrated, I am. Today turned out to be a bust with the Meshforce M3 Wi-Fi mesh system. I actually had it working and I recorded each step of the way, which I'll try to piece the rest of that video together after this recap if you're interested in seeing some of the speed results. But basically what happened was everything was working, got really great speeds in comparison to the original speeds I took, as well as good iPerf performance. It almost doubled in iPerf performance. However, after about 30 minutes, the mesh Wi-Fi router just went bonkers. Couldn't get any speeds. I was basically getting 2 meg down and 10 meg up. And as you see, if you stay tuned, you'll see the comparison speed test. I was getting over 300 up and over 300 down, even upstairs, where originally she was getting only like, I forget off the top of my head, maybe 30 up and 30 down, somewhere around there. So at first I thought it was a great success, but actually it turned out to be a major bust. Now, is it the mesh Wi-Fi system? I reset it back to factory default. I tried resetting it all up again. No luck. Still poor under 5 meg download and upload speeds. Needless to say, I put everything back the way it was before I got here, so at least she's up and running with the situation the way it was before we tried this new system. Again, is it the mesh Wi-Fi system, or did this particular system, was it just an individual case? I don't know. I can't tell you. You be the judge. But I'm going to post the rest of the segments of the video clips that I recorded, plus the speed test comparison for you to see for yourself. Okay guys, I wish I had better news to share with you, but I have to tell it like it is. I have to be honest in my videos and honest with my viewers. So, that being said, if you like this video guys, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And thanks again guys for using my Amazon affiliate links. I know they don't change your price, but they do help out the channel. Stay tuned if you want to see some of the before and after speed results. If not, I'll see you next time. Okay guys, so we're inside. Downstairs is about 800 square feet. Upstairs as well, 800 square feet. I'm going to run a couple of baseline speed tests both downstairs and upstairs, as well as a baseline iPerf test, and then run those tests again once the Meshforce M3 has been installed. Okay guys, so now that we have our baseline speed test downstairs, upstairs, and an iPerf test, time to get on the phone with the ISP and get the router put over into bridge mode so we can get started with the new system setup. Okay guys, I just got off the phone with the ISP, but before I give you an update on how that went, which went well, I want you to meet Ralphie. This is my daughter's 7-month-old Chihuahua. So, make a long story short, we did not put the router into bridge mode. They don't support that. I wanted to take their router out completely and plug directly into their ONT termination point. They wouldn't support that either. Their router had to stay in line, so since they wouldn't put it into bridge mode, the only way I could avoid a double NAT situation was to get them to put their router into IP pass-through mode and disable the Wi-Fi. They did that for me. I plugged in the Meshpoint router and I was able to get a connection. So the next step now is to configure the Wi-Fi and get the dots set up upstairs and start running some tests to compare the results from the test now with the Meshpoint system to those results that I did earlier with the old system in place.